Hey, what's up guys? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to transfer your crypto that is in crypto.com to any crypto wallet. For this one, we're going to use my all-time favorite Phantom wallet. So the first thing you need to do is get your wallet address, and you will get that on Phantom by clicking the receive button, and then depending on the currency, I'm going to select Solana and we'll copy that wallet address. Okay, so now we need to get that wallet address into crypto.com. So if we are on the home page of crypto.com, what we want to do is go to the left and see the accounts section. Okay, so this is going to bring you to the overview section, and you want to click on crypto, and then you want to choose whichever crypto you want to send. It'll show you all your coins and select transfer. Now, from the transfer window, you want to select withdraw and then click on external wallet. Okay, so my wallet address is already pasted in here, but generally for you, what will happen is it'll ask you to put in your wallet address and make a wallet name and then hit continue. And then from there, you can click on withdraw. And from there, it'll just be a case of following the prompts. I don't have anything in this crypto wallet, so I won't be able to show you any further, but it's just a case of following the prompts. Thank you so much for watching. Do consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.